Vikings, welcome back to another episode of MVTV.
Hey Vikings, get ready for an exciting week ahead. On March 10th at 6:30 p.m., come out to the BSSU for the MVHS BAPA Showcase. Let's pack the house and show our Viking pride as we celebrate the incredible talent of our visual and performing arts students. You won't want to miss it. On March 12th, we'll have a fire drill during Period 3. Vikings, remember to stay calm, follow directions, and show how responsible and prepared we are. On March 13th, it's time for the EMU HSD 4th Annual Math Bee at the BSSU. Let's cheer on our brilliant Vikings as they put their math skills to the test. Good luck to all the competitors and make us proud. And mark your calendars, there will be no school on March 16th in observance of Lincoln's Day. Enjoy the long weekend, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. That's right, tonight is a VAPA showcase in the BSU. The fun starts at 6 p.m. with an art and ceramic show, and then at 6:45 p.m. get ready for an amazing display of music, dance, and tech. Come on out and show some love for your fellow Vikings and enjoy the excitement and entertainment. See you tonight starting at 6 p.m. Also, don't forget, it's not too late to grab some awesome stuff from the MVHS 3D Printing Club, the Tri-Print Collective. They're selling cool 4-leaf clover fidget spinners for just $1 and personalized name keychains for only $2. The keychains can have one name and come in your choice of purple and yellow, black and white, pink and white, or blue and white. Snag an order sheet in activities. Get your orders in by Friday, March 13th. See Mr. Beer or Mr. Man if you have any questions. Next, the Foreign Language Club would like to invite you to participate in a poster design contest that celebrates bilingualism and world languages. Turn in an 8 by 11 inch artwork that celebrates the benefits of learning and knowing a new language. The winner will have their artwork turned into a 24 by 36 inch poster to be displayed in different classrooms. Prizes include gift certificates to Arts, Taconazo, and In-N-Out. Your artwork will be due March 27th in room 503. Moving on, the Rio Hondo Community Development Corporation is offering 10 scholarships worth $1,000 to support local students pursuing college or trade school and returning or continuing adult education students. The scholarships will provide financial support for tuition, books, and supplies, and recognition as a Housing for All scholar. The application deadline is March 31st, 2026. For more details or to apply, visit www.riohondoocdc.org. Lastly, we're approaching March 13th, and do you know what that means? That's right, it's Pi Day, which means our annual district-wide Math Bee is back. Get ready to cheer on your Viking mathletes as they compete in a rigorous competition to show off their mathematical skills. Join us in person at the BSU or on the VISTA live stream this Friday starting at 9 a.m. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more important info about the View.
Hello, this week for the wellness, we'll be telling people something good that happened to them this week.
Something that happened to me recently was that yesterday I won first in my 200-meter race.
Something good that happened recently is that yesterday I got first place for track.
Because I went to go see my friend's track meet at South Albany.
I want to shout out to my mom, gave me a new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh yeah, new iPhone 15 Pro Max, shout out to moms.
I finally got to go to my friend's softball game and take pictures of her.
Getting to see my boyfriend.
I got second place in the 100 at yesterday's track meet.
1 million steps.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Blessing by Alex G. Alex G may be familiar to you if you heard the songs Mary and Miss, which were some popular hits on different social media platforms. His genre of music is known to be alternative or indie, which listeners can use to relax to. There are other songs that Alex G has made, but are known to be unreleased or unfinished. These songs are published by Alex G Offline, which is an archive account for his music that he leaks himself. That's it for me this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, the TV show for this week is How I Met Your Mother. How I Met Your Mother is a sitcom told in flashback by Ted Mosby in 2030 to his kids, recounting the journey of navigating love, friendship, and career in New York City with his friends. The plot centers on Ted's quest for the one, ultimately revealing the mother Tracy in the final season. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hello Vikings, for today's Spanish quote is Brilla con luz propia, meaning shine with your own light. Remember to always be confident in yourself. See you next time, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's game is Dead by Daylight. It is an online multiplayer horror game where one player takes on the role of a brutal killer and 4 others play as survivors, trying to escape. Developed by Behavior Interactive, the game is built around intense 4v1 matches filled with suspense, strategy, and jump scares. As a survivor, your goal is to repair generators scattered across the map to power the exit gates and escape. You'll have to work together, hide, and outsmart the killer while avoiding being captured and hooked. If you're the killer, your objective is to hunt down each survivor and sacrifice them before they escape. The game features original characters along with famous horror icons like Michael Myers and Ghostface, adding to its dark and thrilling atmosphere. With constantly changing maps, perks, and strategies, every match feels unpredictable and intense. That's it from me, Vikings.
Hello Vikings, if you're looking to switch up your makeup routine, try adding a little under eyeliner. When it's done correctly, it can actually be super flattering and really define your eyes. The trick is using a light hand, maybe a brown or soft black pencil, and blending it slightly so it enhances your eyes instead of looking too harsh. And for the gossip side of today, people online have been talking about a little monkey named Punch. The story goes that after being abandoned by his mother, he carries around a stuffed animal for comfort. A lot of people found it both heartbreaking and sweet, and it's definitely one of those stories that reminds us how emotional and human-like animals can be. But that's it from me, Vikings. See you next time.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the view. First off, on Tuesday, March 10th, varsity baseball will be hosting the Flint Ridge Prep Wolves here at the baseball field at 6 o'clock. Next, on Wednesday, March 11th, boys volleyball will bring on the Marshall Eagles here at the gym at 3:30 with JV up first and varsity to follow. At the same time, varsity and JV softball will hit the road toward Edgewood High School to challenge the Lions. Then, on Thursday, March 12th, track and field will be hosting a meet here at the Viking Stadium at 3:30. A little later, varsity baseball will again be host as they invite the Southland Christian Eagles here at the baseball field at 5 o'clock. Finally, on Friday, March 13th, varsity softball will bring on the Mark Keppel Aztecs here at the softball field at 3:30. At the same time, boys volleyball will host the El Monte Lions here at the gym at 3:30, with JV up first and varsity soon after. Later at 6 o'clock, Sheer Stunt will head to El Monte High School as they showcase against the Rosemead Panthers. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA livestream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hi Vikings! A new poll for this week is, would you rather travel to the past or the future? Vote on our Instagram page at MVHSVista, and I'll see you next week with the results. Bye!
Welcome back, Vikings. Our film for this week is Red Dawn. Red Dawn is an action movie about a group of high school students in a small town in Colorado whose lives change when foreign soldiers invade the United States. The teens escape into the mountains and form a resistant group called the Wolverines, led by brothers Jed and Matt. They learn how to survive in the wild and fight back against the enemy. Throughout the movie, they face danger, loss, and difficult choices as they try to protect their town and country. The film focuses on bravery, teamwork, and standing up for freedom. That's it for me, Vikings. See you next episode.
Hello Vikings! This week's recipe is strawberry puff pastry pockets. These pastries are light and fluffy and are also filled with strawberry and cream cheese. If you're interested, scan the QR code and see you Vikings next week.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.